Hello, my name is Alfonso Garcia. I'm the owner and founder of the Green River Asbestos and Pavement here in Seattle, Washington. In this video, I will be showing you what popcorn ceiling looks like, some facts about, and how to keep you and your family safe. Popcorn ceilings are tribal textures that was popular between 60s and 80s. Today, heavy textures are our style. But before you decided to remove it, make sure you have it professionally tested for asbestos. Popcorn ceilings are known to contain chrysotile asbestos. This type of asbestos is friable, which means it can be easily crumbled up with minimal effort. Breathing asbestos-containing textures can result in lung scarring, lung cancer, and mesothelioma. If you and your family are living in a home that has or you believe they have asbestos-containing popcorn ceiling, don't panic. The risks posed by popcorn ceiling are minimal if the texture is intact. However, the risk goes up if the texture is damaged or flaking off. If the texture is flaking off or damaged, consider leaving the home until an expert can fix the problem. Don't try to remove the textures yourself. You are putting yourself and the lives of the others at risk. Let the expert take care of fix the problem. Finally, paper mask do not stop asbestos fiber for entering your respiratory system. Only HEPA filters are approved to stop asbestos fiber, like these filters, that's the one which you need. If you believe your home has asbestos containing popcorn ceilings, please seek a professional opinion. If you have any questions or you like to schedule a free estimate, you can call us at 206 941 1281. Thank you.